Welcome back to the coverage, still inside the Philoil Eco Oil Center here in San Juan City at the half here in NCAA Season 99 of this matchup between the EAC Generals and the San Beda Red Lions. San Beda up by 6:44-38 at halftime. At kasalukuyan po tayong naka-break pero ngayon po, we are staying true to our NCAA Season 99 slogan, New Heroes of the Game, dahil bibigyan po natin ng parangal ang ilang miyembro ng ating NCAA family matapos po nilang magbigay ng karangalan sa buong liga natin at syempre po sa buong Pilipinas. They are indeed the new heroes of Philippine basketball after bringing home a gold medal from men's basketball in the 19th Asian Games. Dyan po ginanap sa Hangzhou, China. Of course, that ended the 61-year gold medal drought here in the country and for the country as well. Okay, bago po natin sila isa-isahin, it's time to meet first the VIPs of the NCAA. And we start with the NCAA Management Committee from Arellano University, Sir Peter Caico. From Colegio de San Juan de Letran, Father Victor Calvo Jr. OP. From De La Salle College of St. Benilde, Mr. Manuel Raymond Dax Castellano. Representing EAC, Dr. Lorenzo Lorenzo. And from EAC as well, and member of the NCAA Policy Board, Dr. Jose Paulo Campos. The chairman of NCAA Season 99, Mr. Efren Jose Paul Supan of Jose Rizal University. The vice chairman of Season 99, Mr. Hercules Calianta of the Lyceum of the Philippines University. Mr. Melchor Divina of Mapua University. Representing San Beda University, Attorney Jonas Capuchan. From San Sebastian College, Recoletos, Father Virgilio Paredes OAR. And representing the University of Perpetual Help System Delta, Mr. Frank Gusi Jr. And now we'd like to call on Mr. Paul Supan and Mr. Hercules Calianta to give out the plaques of recognition. Mga kapuso, each of our guests will be presented a plaque of recognition for their outstanding achievement in sports as a member of the Philippine men's basketball team that won the gold medal in the 2023 Asian Games in Hangzhou, China, the People's Republic of China, bringing honor to the NCAA GMA community and, of course, the entire Philippines. Given this 22nd day of October 2023 at the Philoil Eco Oil Center in San Juan City, signed by Oliver Victor B. Amoroso, Senior Vice President and Head of GMA Integrated News, Regional TV and Synergy, Sir Efren Jose Y. Supan, NCAA Season 99 Management Committee and Chairman, and of course, Dr. Vincent K. Fabella, NCAA Season 99 Policy Board President, and Attorney Felipe El Gozon, Chairman and CEO of GMA Network Incorporated. Also joining Sir Herc and Sir Paul is Dr. Jose Paulo Campos, NCAA Policy Board Member for EAC. And now, we shall give out and present our plaques of appreciation first to the coaching staff of Gilas Pilipinas. Let's call on Coach Richard Del Rosario, assistant coach for Gilas Pilipinas, and of course former head coach of the College of St. Benilde Blazers. Thank you, Coach Richard. Next, Coach Joseph Enrique Jong Yuchiko, Gilas Pilipinas assistant coach and former NCAA player. thank you for helping out Coach Richard and of course Coach Jong, members of the coaching staff of Gilas Pilipinas. Palapakan po natin sila. Next, we'd like to acknowledge the pillar of Philippine basketball that has supported our favorite sport through thick and thin. The Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas, represented today by Sir Dax Castellano, Mancom representative of the Benil Blazers, and of course, a member of the SBP Board of Trustees. Palakpakan po natin ang SBP. Again, your efforts made this all happen for us here in the Philippines. At ngayon naman po mga kapuso, magbigay-pugay naman tayo sa Asian Games gold medalist in men's basketball. Siyempre, tubong NCAA. From the San Beda Red Lions, Calvin John Oftana. Former NCAA MVP, champion, and Mythical 5 member as well. Alright, palapakan po natin the members of Gilas Pilipinas, of course, tubong NCAA from San Beda before, MVP Calvin Oftana. Calvin, welcome back to the NCAA. Alam kong madalas ka bumisita dito, pero gaano ka-espesyal tong moment na to na binibigyan kayong parangal dito para sa pagkakapanalo nyo sa Asian Games?
Una sa lahat, gusto ko magpasalamat kay God at saka sa San Beda community. Sa mga coaches, sa family ko, sa wife ko, and especially sa NCAA. Isang malaking bagay to para sa akin. Kung saan ako nagsimula dito, kung saan ako ngayon, dahil doon sa NCAA. And thank you sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa NCAA at saka sa San Beda community. Thank you.
Huli na lang, Calvin, before we let you go, mensahe mo sa mga manlalaro kasi ganito kalayo ang narating mo. Gold medalist ka na sa Asian Games. You were once a player for the San Beda Red Lions. Anong mensahe mo sa kanila para ma-inspire din silang sumunod sa yapak mo?
Mangarap lang kayo. Wala namang hadlang sa lahat ng bagay. Gaya ng sitwasyon ko dati sa San Beda, hindi naman ako yung star player lang. Pero ito ako ngayon, nakaabot kung saan ako ngayon. Tiwala sa sarili at saka tiwala lang sa mga coaches nyo.
Thank you so much, Calvin.
Thank you.
And congratulations! Palakpakan ulit po natin, Phil Oil Eco Oil Center, our members of Gilas Pilipinas! Gold medalists in the Asian Games. Thank you so much mga kapuso for watching our short feature here. Pero mamaya-maya po, babalik na tayo sa laban ng EAC kontra San Beda sa pagbabalik ng NCAA Season 99 on GTV.